Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making chocolate pudding. So easy, no weird ingredients, and fresh. So let's do what we do and make it happen. Milk, cornstarch, sugar, cocoa, and salt. We have a pot on the stove. No heat, fam. We're gonna add the sugar, the cocoa, the cornstarch, and their cornstarch, and the salt. Mix really well with a fork or whisk, guys. When I was a kid, my mom knew I loved chocolate pudding. One day, she came home with tapioca pudding. She wanted me to try new things. Well, I looked at her like she had lost her mind, but I was game. Whisk in the milk. Oh, about that tapioca pudding, I absolutely hated it. But still, it's always good to try new things. She put that switcheroo on me with many things. Turn the heat to medium and cook and whisk until it starts to boil. Turn off the heat and pour into a heat-safe bowl. Cover with plastic wrap right on top of the surface. We're doing this because we don't want skin to form on the surface. Some people like that. I am not one of those people. But it's your kitchen, do what you want. Toss in the fridge for a couple hours. I like a little whipped cream, a couple of raspberries. The mint is because I like my chocolate pudding pretty. For this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Alright fam, that's all for this week. I'll see you next week. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.
Hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.